Okay, guys, let's start again. Actually, it's lesson 9, applications on the real numbers. The first application, we said that it's the cube. It's a cube like this one. Okay, so cube has 6 faces. Okay, and all lengths in the cube are equal, actually, because this one equal L and L and L and L, because its faces on the shape of the square. Okay, so all the side lengths or the edge lengths are equal. Okay, so now the first rule, if I want to get the area of one face, so simply this means area of a square. So the area of one face, area of one face, it will equal L times L, which will equal L power 2 or L squared. Okay?
Okay.
Then the next rule, it's about the lateral area. Okay? Lateral area. Lateral area actually equals, lateral area equals 4L squared. Okay? Which is 4L squared. Okay? So that one, guys, is the lateral area. Then the total area, okay, total area, of course, it will equal the area of its 6 faces. So total area will equal 6 faces times the area of one face, so 6L squared. Okay?
Mister, what the meaning of lateral area?
Lateral area means the area of
The face?
1, 2, just 1 second, I will change the colors. If this one is blue, like this, then let me remove that one. Then this one is the second face, 2. Okay, then that one is the third. Okay, then the one on the base, which is this one. So this means lateral area is the area of the consecutive faces. Okay?
Okay.
So yes, consecutive faces. So this one first on the front, then one on the top, then one is behind, then one on the base. Like I mean this one first, then on the top second, then from that behind third, then the base 4. Okay?
Okay.
مستر بس معلش انا لسه داخل دلوقتي فانا يعني ممكن تعيد اللي حضرتك قلته قبل شويه.
Okay, no problem. Again, first application in this lesson, it's the cube. Okay, lesson 9, applications on real numbers. Cube, we said this like this. Actually, the cube has 6 faces. Okay, one from this side, from left, and one from right, up and down, and this one in behind, and this one in front. Okay, so 6 faces. If I will assume that the length is L for the edge, because here each face is a square. Okay, so all the edges are equal. Okay, so if I want to get the area of one face, area of face, it's a square, so L times L, so it will equal L squared. Then the lateral area, we said that it will be the area of the consecutive faces. So one from the right, one from the top, one from the left, one from the bottom, so 4 faces. So lateral area equals 4 times area of the face, which is L squared. Next point is the total area. Total area, how many faces do we have? 6 times the area of the face, which is L squared. Okay, guys, now it's clear? Area of one face, lateral,
Thank you.
total area, and then finally the last point, okay? Actually, it's the volume. Volume of this shape, which is the cube, okay, equals length times width times height, right? So in this case, guys, the three edges are equal. So this means the volume, which is V, will equal L times L times L. So it will equal L cubed, or L at the power of 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So guys, here,
Yes, clear.
okay, here, the edge length, of course, L in centimeters. Area, if it's a face area or lateral area or total area, of course, it will be in squared centimeters. Okay? And volume will equal,
Cube, right?
yes, exactly. This is the units, cubic centimeters. Are we clear? Because actually area,
لا لا
L time L.
عندي
So L time L means centimeter times centimeter, or whatever, meter, decimeter, millimeter, whatever, so that it will be squared. Volume, we said that L times L times L. So centimeters times centimeter times centimeter, so cubed. Okay, guys? So always.
Do I have to memorize the kilometers km squared equal how much m squared equal how much cm squared equal how much dm squared? Do I have to memorize this every year, or it doesn't matter?
It's very easy, by the way. Just you have to know that kilometer equal 1000 meter equal, okay? And meter equals 100 centimeter, and meter equals 10 decimeter. All this is very basic, okay? And
Okay, no,
then
I mean the
centimeter.
square, the squared section. Do
You
I
have to
memorize
convert it. You have to convert it. Just you have to understand the basics, so then it will be very easy to you to convert.
I'll
Okay?
just make it power 3.
So this means from kilometers squared to meters squared. So this means I will multiply by 1,000,000, 1,000 times 1,000. So it will equal
Yeah, I
1
mean the number between them power 2. That's what I meant.
Okay, so simply from squared kilometers to squared meters times a million. So I don't need to memorize all this, just I have to understand how to convert. So kilometers squared means kilometers times kilometers. Okay, kilometer squared equal kilometer times kilometer, right? So if I want to convert this one into squared meters, so first this one times 1,000 to convert it into meter, times this one to convert into meters, 1,000. So 1,000,000 meters squared. That's it. Okay, and so on. So just you have to understand the basics. No need to memorize all this. Okay?
So teacher,
Yes.
are we going to use this? Are we
No.
supposed to know this
No,
rules?
no, at all. All dimensions in centimeters and decimeters, millimeters, like this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So again,
مش
guys,
هنستخدمها في المسائل يعني.
no. Again, for the cube, area of one face.
Okay.
Will equal L squared, lateral area 4 faces, 4L squared. Total area, 6 faces, so 6L squared. Volume, L power 3. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to solve one example related to the cube. A cube with a volume 125 square cubed centimeters. Find the total area. Find total area and lateral area. Okay, now volume equals 125, which is equal L power 3, right? So L will equal, of course, the cubic root of 125, which will equal
5
centimeters. Now I got the side length. Now it's very easy to get the remaining. Okay, so first I want to get total area. Okay, total area will equal 6 times area of the base. 6 times area of one face. So area of one face means 5 times 5. So 6 times 5 times 5. So it will equal 150, I guess. And this one is area, so of course, squared centimeters. Lateral area, it will equal the area of 4 faces. So 4 times 5 times 5. So it will equal 100
100.
squared centimeters. Now it's clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, clear.
Any
Can you say
questions?
it again quickly, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank
Here
you.
here the volume is given. It's 125. We said that each face is a square. Okay, so this means first I will get the edge length. So 125 equals edge length power 3. So the edge length equal the cubic root of 125, so 5 centimeters. Okay, then total area, we said 6 times area of one face. It's a square. This one is 5, this one is 5. All sides are equal 5. So area of this square equals the side times itself. So 5 times 5. Okay, times 6, because we are getting the total area. So it will equal 150. Lateral area, we said that it's the area of 4 faces. So 4 times 5 times 5. So it will equal 100 centimeters squared. Now it's clear,
Thank
guys?
you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, clear.
Teacher, I have a question. Teacher, isn't L power 3 equals L times L times L?
Of course.
Okay, can't we get the length of one side? Can we get the L by L times L times L?
Okay, this means a number multiplied by itself 3 times. So cubic root. Okay.
So we can't get it like L times L times L. We must get it like L power 3. You got my meaning?
What's the meaning of L times L times L, Omar? It will be the same. Yani it's 125 equals L cubed. So 125 equals L times L times L. Then what? I don't know يعني.
لا هو مسح كل حاجة، كنت لسه بسأله بس كان في حد بيسأله سؤال.
So that this one at the power of 3. I want to get L. So cubic root of 125. So it will equal 5. That's it. Now it's clear? Huh?
I have a question. The last question, who gets the 6? How get the 6?
It's according to the rule. You have to concentrate. We said that total area equals 6. Okay?
Okay.
Area of one face.
Mister, we have to
It's 6
study this.
faces. That's why I said 6 times area of one face equals 5 times 5. So 5 times 5. That's why I mentioned 6, because total area equals 6 times area of the face. Okay?
Mister, we have to study those formulas.
Sorry?
We have to study those formulas or those.
You have to memorize these rules, of course. Otherwise, you will not able to solve the questions.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
guys, are we clear till now?
Yeah, clear.
Everything is good, but can you just solve another like example or something?
Okay. So I will solve more examples by the end of the session, but first, let's continue to the next point. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the next point, it's about the cuboid. Cuboid, actually, it's like the cube, but there is only one difference. What's the difference? Number of faces
the
are
face is
equal, number of
rectangle.
edges are equal, everything is the same, but the difference here that the face is rectangle. Okay, so this one is the length. I will consider that it's x. This one is the width, so y. And in this one is the height, or even this one is the height, so z. Okay, so now how to get the lateral area? Okay, lateral area equals the perimeter of the base times height. So let me write the rules. Lateral area equals perimeter of base times height. That's it. So perimeter of the base, it's a rectangle. We said that this one x and this one is y. So perimeter of this one means x plus y times 2. Are we okay till now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, times height. So we said that if it's like this, so the height will be, we mentioned in the previous that it's a z, for example. So 2 times x plus y times z. I don't care about the rule, this one, symbols, because it's changing every question. So what all I care about now, it's perimeter of the base times height. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah,
Okay,
clear.
so this is the lateral, sorry guys, this is the lateral area.
Mr.
Okay, yes,
Please again.
okay. We said that the cuboid, it's like this one. 6 faces. Okay, each face is a rectangle. Okay, then
Okay.
what is the total? Sorry, first the lateral area. So lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. Now this one x, this one y, this one z. So perimeter of the base means x plus y times 2, because it's a rectangle, right?
Right.
Times height, which is z. So times z. That's it. Is it clear now?
Yes, clear.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, very good. Then how to get the total area? It's very simple. Total area equals lateral area plus twice area of the base. Okay?
Okay.
So it will equal lateral area plus 2 or twice area of the base. Okay, if I wanted to get it now, lateral area, we got it 2 times x plus y times z plus twice area of the base. So 2 first, the perimeter the lateral area 2 times x plus y times z. So this is the lateral area. I just got it from here. Plus twice area of the base. It's a square, right? Sorry, it's a rectangle. So this means the area of the base will equal x times y. So
Mister,
plus 2xy. Okay?
okay. Mister,
Can you do it again, please?
Yes, sure.
Mister, please, I can recording.
Okay, you will find it on the YouTube channel. Okay, don't worry about the recording. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's continue, guys. Again, we said that the lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. Perimeter of base, it's a rectangle, so x plus y times 2, this one, times height, which is z here. Are we clear till now?
Yes, clear.
Yes, yeah.
The total area equals the lateral area. So just I placed the lateral area here, which is 2 times x plus y times z, plus twice area of the base. The base is a rectangle, so the area of the rectangle equals side, okay, times length times width. So x times y, and it's twice area of the base, so 2xy. Okay, guys, it's clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah,
Okay,
clear.
then what about the volume? What about the volume? Okay, volume like cube, it will equal x times y times z. Okay, guys, clear?
Yeah,
Yes.
clear.
So
Okay.
volume equals length by width by height.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And also in the cube, it equals length of the width times length times height. But on the cube, it's a special case. All ages are equal. That's why we said L times L times L, right? But here, different side measurement. So X
So
times
say
Y
X,
times Z.
Y, Z. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let's solve one example so that we can understand this well. Okay. Here, in this example, the height of the cuboid height equals 4 centimeters. Okay. And the base is a square. Okay. Base square. Okay. Of side length 5 centimeters. Find volume. Okay, so volume first will equal length times width times height, right?
المفروض يا مستر ايوه او ممكن نقولها height time base height time area of the base which will equal 5 times 5 25 25 times 4 which will equal 100. So the volume will equal 100 cubic centimeter.
Exactly. So here it's the base is a square. So length times width or area of the base equal 5 times 5 times the height, which is 4. So it will equal 5 times 5, 25 times 400. This is volume, right? So cubic centimeters, yes, cubic centimeters. Okay, guys, are we clear till now?
Yeah.
So he needs okay. Here need what is the given of the question?
The givens are written here on the top. Height 4 centimeters and the base is square of
He
side
needs the
length.
volume, right?
Yes, so this is the volume. Okay?
Okay.
Because volume equals area of the base times height. Area of the base, it's a square, so length times width, or the side length times itself. The same.
So it the volume of cuboid equals length by width by height, or area of the base times height.
Yes, it's the same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next requirement in this question, we want to get the lateral area. Lateral area. Okay. We said that the lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. So it's a square. Okay.
So 5 times 4.
So here, perimeter of the base times height means it will equal 4 times 5 times 4.
Okay.
Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So it will equal 80 centimeters. And this one is area, so squared centimeters. Then the third requirement here is the total area. Okay, total area equals lateral area. Total area equals lateral area plus twice area of base. Lateral area here is given 80, right? We got it. Then area of the base, okay, 5 centimeters is the side length, so 2 times 5 times 5, which is 25. So 80 plus 50, 130 squared centimeters. Now it's clear?
Mister, why we did it 25?
Which
We made
one?
the 5 power 2.
The area of the square equals what? Area
5
of
times 4.
Equals 5.
side times itself, right?
Yeah,
so 5
okay.
times 5 is 25.
Okay.
Okay, then the next application, it's about the circle. Okay, if there is, this one is a circle like this one is the center point of the circle. So this means if this one is M as a point, so this one, okay, is the radius, right?
Right.
Okay, very good. If I will draw the radius on the other side like this, so this means also this one is a radius. Okay, so the whole this two radius, its name is diameter. So diameter equals 2r, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so the first rule, the circumference of the circle equals 2 by r. Okay, now 2r. Okay, so also we can say that it equals by d. Yes, of course. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then what about the area? It will equal by r squared. Okay, what's this by? Actually, it's a constant. It equals 22 over 7 or 3.14. That was the circle briefly. This one is clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
So
So
teacher,
let's solve one
Yeah.
example on the
طيب.
circle.
مستر
Yes.
قبل بس ما نعدي السيركل لانها مش موجوده في الليسون بس جت في الاسئله. ينفع بس ارجع مع حضرتك قوانين السيمي سيركل على السريع؟
لا after we finish then we can
هي
revise
كده
it.
كده اصلا في الحته بتاعت السيركل بس هي مش مكتوبه.
It's not like a semicircle, okay? It's a half circle. So
Yeah.
if it's like this,
Can I tell you the laws of it?
if it's like this, only half circle, this one is the center point and this one is diameter. Okay, so this means area will equal half area, right? What is the area of the circle? By r squared. So by r squared, okay, times half, because this one is a half circle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Fuad?
Okay.
Okay, what about the perimeter?
The circumference it
Or
will
I
equal
mean the
half 2 by r
circumference,
plus d.
or
Is
the
it right?
circumference. Actually, the circumference equal half the circumference plus this one. So the
diameter.
circumference of the circle equals 2 by r.
Can you write it?
Okay, divided by 2 plus 2r or d. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now it's clear, Fuad?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then, one example on the circle. If the area of the circle equals 25 by, of course it's area, so squared centimeters, calculate the circumference. Okay, area equals what? The rule. We said that
By
area
r
equals
squared.
by r
By r
squared.
squared.
So this means area which is 25 by equals the rule which is by r squared. Okay,
by
so now
r.
I can remove by with this by. So 25 will
And then we're
equal,
gonna make it like equation, right?
yes, so r will equal the square root of 25.
25.
So r will equal 5. That's it. Then I can get the circumference. Circumference equals, the rule is 2 by r. 2
by
by
r.
r. So it will equal 2
2
Or
times
by
times
d.
5
by
times by. So it will equal 10
equal
by.
10 by
And
centimeter.
Okay, here in the question, it's mentioned that calculate the circumference in terms of by, so it equals 10 by. If it's not
If it is
mentioned in the question in terms of by, so I have to multiply 10 by 22 over 7 and get the result. That's it. Okay, and
Okay.
of course, the circumference in centimeters. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
It's like the perimeter,
Yes, exactly.
but in circle
Okay.
it's called circumference.
Okay, very good. One more example like this one.
So teacher, I have a
There
question.
is, yes.
If he needs it in the term of pi, we make the 2 times radius and leave the pi by itself, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, so, and the next example, the circumference of a circle equals 88 centimeters. Find area. Okay, so circumference rule equals what?
2 by r.
2
2 by
by
r.
r. And here in this question, it's given that by equals 22 over 7. Okay, so this rule, okay, the circumference 2 by r equals 88. So this means 88 equals 2 times by is 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 times r. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so 88 equals 44 over 7r. Okay, of course 88 is 88 over 1. So can I simplify this two terms? Yes, of course. 44, I will divide both by 44, so this one will equal 2. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah.
So 2 will equal 1 over 7r. Now I want to remove this 7. I will multiply the two sides by 7. So 2 times 7 equals r. So r will equal 14. That's
Teacher, can you repeat it, please?
okay. We said that 88 will equal 2 times 22 over 7 times r. 2 times 22 means 44 over 7. Now this one is 88 and 44. I can simplify both of them. I will divide it by 44. So I can remove 44. Now it will equal 1 and 88 means 2, right?
So, teacher, can't I make? I will make. If I make divide 2, like 2 by 22 over 7 by r.
You
If
can
I
solve
make
it by
this,
using the calculator directly, not to waste your time, okay? I'm solving with these steps because I don't have calculator, but you can get it directly. R will equal 88, okay? Divided by 44 over 7. That's it. Okay?
like equation, 44 over 7 r equal 88 over 1, then r equal 44 over 7.
Yes. So R will equal 14. Now get the area. Okay? How to get the area? Area
R bar 2.
equals by
By
R
R
squared.
bar 2.
So it will equal by, which is 22 over 7 times 14 squared. Then get the result using the calculator. That's it. Okay? Now it's clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, the next application, it's about the right circular cylinder. Okay, cylinder is like this. Circle and one more circle like this. Okay, so this is the center of this circle, which is M1, and this is the center of this circle, which is M2. Okay, and also, guys, from the center of this circle to the center of this circle, actually, this one is the height, and this one is radius, and this one, of course, will be the same radius like this. Are we clear about that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then what is the rules here? Lateral area, and then total area, and then the last one, as usual, volume. Okay, lateral area equals 2 by r times height. Okay, 2 by r times height, which is the circumference of the base times height. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this one, the circumference of the base times height. Then what about the total area? It will equal the lateral area plus twice area of the base. Okay?
Okay.
This rule reminding me with the total area of the cuboid. It's the same, right?
Can you write it?
Lateral area plus twice area of the base. Okay. Then what about the volume? But first,
Area of the base times the height.
to continue first, total area will equal lateral area, which is 2 by r times h plus twice area of the base. Okay, the base is a circle. Okay, so this means that the area is by r squared. So twice the area, so 2 by r squared. That's it. Okay, then the last one is the volume. Volume equals what? It will equal area of the base times height. Area of the base means by r squared times height, which is h. That's it. So I have to memorize these rules. First one, lateral area, 2 by r times h. Total area, lateral area plus twice area of the base. volume, area of the base times height. Now it's clear, guys?
Mister, can you repeat the volume
Yeah,
again?
very.
What? Can we repeat what?
Can you repeat the volume again? Thanks.
Okay, so first, guys, the first point we said that lateral area will equal the lateral area will
2 by r time height.
the circumference of the base times height. Okay, then guys, there's some noise come from your microphones. I don't know, from Ahmed or Asil, or I don't know. Okay, then total area equals lateral area plus twice area of the base. So lateral area, it's already, we got it, plus 2 or twice area of the base, which is 2 by r squared. And now the volume, area of the base times height. So by r squared, because it's a circle, times height, which is h. Now it's clear, guys?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, great. Then let's solve one question so that we can understand it well. All right, circular cylinder is of height, so h equals the height 10 centimeters, and volume equals 1540 cubic centimeters. Find total area, knowing that pi equals 22/7. Okay, how to solve this one? Actually, first the volume equal what?
By r power
Area of the base.
Base time height.
Area of the base times height. So area of the base, it's a circle. So by r squared, right? Times
Yeah.
height, which is h. So volume is given. 1540 will equal by, it's 22/7. Then r squared times h, h is
Times
given,
10.
times 10. Okay, so now I can get the radius. Okay,
Okay.
so this means 1540 will equal 22 times 10 means 220/7 r squared. Now you can get the r squared.
Make divide.
It will equal 49. So r will equal the square
Should we
root of
do a square root?
Yes, we will get it using the square root, so r will equal 7. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Which is the square root of 49. Okay, now I want to get the total area. Okay, let me clear this one so that we can write down the rules of the total area. So total area equals, what is the rule of the total area? It equals the lateral area, okay? Lateral total area equals lateral area, which is 2 by
R
RH,
times height.
plus
by r.
twice
Twice by
area
r
of the
cubed.
base, which is 2 by r squared. So it will equal 2 times 22/7, r equals 7 times h equal 10 plus 2 times 22/7 times 7 squared, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we will finalize all these numbers. The total number will equal, the total area will equal 748, of course, squared centimeters.
Teacher, we can do
Okay.
this on calculator, okay? Is that right?
Yes, using the calculator. It's very easy. I can do it without calculator simply. I will remove this 7 with this 7, okay? And this 7 with the square, and then I will continue. Okay?
Yeah.
44 plus Yeah.
I don't care about the numbers. You can do it using the calculator so that we will not waste our time. Okay?
أنا شايف
Okay.
كده برضه. أوكي تمام.
Okay, great. Then the next application, okay, or to be more accurate, it's the last one in this lesson. It's about the sphere.
We're gonna take lesson 10 also today.
If there is enough time, we will. Okay.
Okay.
So the sphere, only two rules, guys: area and volume. Area equal 4 by r squared. Volume 4 over 3 by r cubed. That's it. Okay?
Only?
Yes, that's it. Nothing more.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to memorize the rules. Area equal 4 by r squared. Volume equal 4 over 3 by r cubed. Okay,
It
then
has no
let's...
lateral areas.
Sorry?
It has no lateral area.
No, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So here, the volume of a sphere, volume equals 500 over 3 by cubic centimeters. Find length of diameter. Okay, so this one is very easy. What is the rule of the volume? Volume, we said that it will equal 4 over 3 by
3 by r cubic root.
Yes, cubed. So this means this value, which is 500 over 3 by, equals the rule 4 over 3 by r power 3. So now simplify, remove by with by, remove 3 from denominator and the 3 from denominator. So 500 equals 4 r power 3.
Power 3.
So r cubed will equal 400 divided by 4, which is 125. So r will equal the cubic root of 125, which is equal 5. Then diameter equals 2r, so it will equal 2r, so it will equal 10 centimeters. That's it. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
So teacher, we solve it like equation as
Yes, of
usual.
course. Yes, just remove by from the two sides, and there is 3 and the 2 denominators here on the two sides. Remove it also. It's very easy.
500 equal 4 r power 3, then okay, 500 divide 4 equal 5. Yeah. 500 divide 4
Guys?
equal 125, right?
Yes, because we divided both sides by 4.
Yeah, equation, like equation, okay.
Mhm,
Then diameter equal to, okay, now clear.
mhm.
Okay,
Next
thank you, teacher.
question. Next question. The area of the sphere equals 36 by. Area equals 36 by. Find the volume. In terms of by. Okay. What is the rule of the area? Area equals 4
by r power 2.
squared. Very good. So area equals 4 by r squared. So 36 by equals 4 by r squared. Yes. Then remove by with by, right? I deleted totally,
Yeah.
not to remove it. Just 1 second. Then remove this by with this by. So 36 equals 4r squared, right?
Yeah.
So r squared, I will divide by 4, will equal 9. So r will equal the square root of 9, which is 3. Then get the volume. 4 over 3 by r cubed. So 4 over 3
3
by
by 9 by 3 by
times 27. 3 cubed means 3
yeah,
times 3 times 3, 27. So
yeah,
simplify it easily.
4 over
27 with
3
3, so 9. 4 times 9 means it will equal 36y. So this is the volume.
36 by
Okay.
okay.
Now it's clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, it's clear.
Like that, we finished the lesson? Or
So actually, now I can say that we finished that lesson. Okay?
The
So
last
Uh,
lesson?
can we start the next lesson, guys?
Yeah, sure.
no problem at all.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
No
Okay.
problem at
Thank
all.
you.
I
Is
have
it
no
too
problem.
long or something like
No,
that?
no. It will take like 30 to 40 minutes maximum.
Okay.
Concerning our concentration.
Yes, it depends upon your concentration. If you will concentrate well, I promise you that we will finish it within 20 minutes, not even 30 or 40.
20
Oh, okay.
minutes?
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay.
Okay, so let's concentrate with me, guys. Lesson 10, it's about solving equations and inequalities of the first degree. Okay, so guys, before we studied the equations, okay, how to solve the equations of the first degree, like 2x minus 5 equal 3. This is very easy. So 2x, I will shift this number to the other side with different sign. So negative 5 will be positive. So 3 plus 5.
Equal 8.
So 2x equal 8. So this means x will
And then
equal
divided to equal
divided
4.
by 2. So x equal 4. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's solve one or two examples like this. Find the solution set of each of the following equations, then represent the solution on the number line. Okay, it's very easy. 3x plus 2 equals 1. Okay, so 3x will equal 1. Shift this term to the other side with different sign. 1 minus 2. So 3x will equal negative 1.
Negative 1.
So x will equal
negative 1 over 3.
exactly. Very good. Negative 1 over 3. So in this case, guys, I have to write down that the solution set equal the set of negative 1 over 3. Simply. So finished.
Okay.
But the remaining
Mr.
point now to represent this one on the number line. Yes.
What if it was negative 3x?
Negative 3x like this.
Yeah, negative 3x plus 2 equal 1 مثلا.
Okay, I don't care. Negative 3x equal negative 1. Then 3x will equal 1. Simply.
So negative 1 over negative 3 equal 1.
زي ودينا يعني Mr. how did we put away negative on the left side and negative on the right side? How did you do it?
This one is negative 3x plus 2 equal 1. So positive 2 the other side. So negative 2. So negative 3x now equals negative 1. Multiply the two sides by negative 1. Divide the two sides by negative 1.
Why did
Easy,
you divide it by
right?
negative 1? Why didn't you divide it by negative
Because I
3?
want. Okay.
Negative.
It will be the same. You can divide it by negative 3 directly. So x will equal 1 over 3.
Okay, so we don't change the equal sign. We don't change it.
You will change it in which case? We change the symbol of inequalities, not in equations.
Okay,
Right?
I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, okay.
Oh, yes. Okay. So now, guys, how to represent this one on the number line? It's very easy. Okay. It's negative 1 over 3. Actually, I don't care about this one because this one is very easy. Okay, so this is 0. this is 1, this one is 2, -1, -2. Okay, how to represent the -1/3? Actually, it will be between 0 and -1, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
0 means 0/3, and -1 means -3/3, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so then divide the distance between the 2 points into 3 equal parts. So the first one will be -1/3, then the second one will be -2/3, and the third, of course, -3/3. So this is my point, -1/3.
Mister, by
This one is
representing,
easy. Come
Mister,
in the
by
exam.
representing a fraction on the number line. Can I ask?
Mhm.
By
Yes, sure.
representing a number on the number line. Okay.
Mhm.
Do I have to write all the numbers on the number line, or only the two numbers that I want to get the number from between
As you
them?
like, as you like, as you like. It's very easy. I want to represent a
Like, can I
-1/3.
write it like the intervals? Like when we do the intervals, we only write the two numbers. Do you understand
No
me?
problem. You can do like this. So this one is 0, this one is -1, like this. And also you have to write this one is 1 to show that this is the positive side, this is the negative side, so that we can understand that you know what are you doing. Okay?
Okay, so he wouldn't give me 0 or nothing. Yeah, if
No,
I
no,
write
no,
it
no,
like
no,
this.
nothing at all. No, no, no,
Okay.
of course. So here, -1/3, how to represent it again? We said that -1/3 lying between 0 and -1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next step, I'm going to change this two numbers into fractions. Okay, but which fractions? Fractions with the same denominator of my number. It's -1/3. So I have to make these two numbers over 3 like this.
Mister, can I leave while I'm doing the representing line? Can I leave
Mhm.
3 centimeters? So the number -1/3, yeah? Can I leave 3 centimeters between each number?
I don't care about the measurement, Fuad. It doesn't matter. Okay? You can
Okay.
do it with the scale, whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay, but you have to mention. Okay? Okay, so I have to change the two numbers into fractions. Okay? And we said that fraction with a denominator same like my number. So now I want to change these two numbers into two numbers with a denominator of 3. Okay? So the first one will be over 3, the second one also over 3. So here 0 means 0/3, of course. -1 means a number over 3, so -3. Are we correct?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, then divide this
Mister.
distance into 3 equal parts like this. Now 3 equal parts. This is the first part, this is the second, this is the third. So the first one is -1/3, then -2/3. So this point actually is my point, -1/3. Are we clear?
Mister,
Yes.
Mister, we have to use the
can you
ruler in
repeat?
that.
Yes, sure. One more example. I want to represent -3/5, for example. This number lying
Okay.
0 and 1, right?
Yeah.
I mean 0 and -1, sorry, because it's a negative. Okay, so this is the number line. 0, 1, -1. Okay.
We have to
Now,
use the ruler in this case.
oh yeah, no problem. We can use it.
If we don't use it, then we'll lose marks.
I don't think so.
Mister,
Yes.
how do we know it's between -1 and 0?
Okay, it's very simple. Just use your calculator. -3/5, it will equal -0.6. So this means it's between 0 and -1, of course, right? Because it's less than -1 and greater than, sorry, it's less than 0 and greater than -1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now what will be the next step? I'm going to convert these two numbers, 0 and -1, into a fractions with a denominator same like my denominator here. So this means these two numbers will become something over 5 and here also something over 5. Yes. So the first number is 0, means 0 over 5.
0
Second,
over 5.
-1 means
Negative 5.
Then divide the distance into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Of course, the next step will be the first one, -1 over 5, -2 over 5, and so on till -4 over 5. That's it. Then your point, -3 over 5, this one. Clear, guys?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher, طبعا يعني مش النيجاتيف 1 over 5 والنيجاتيف 2 over 5 بس هما اللي ما بين الزيرو والنيجاتيف 5 over 5.
Infinity of numbers between 0 and -1.
Okay, Mister.
Mm-hmm.
How do you know -1 is -5 over 5?
This is a very strange question. -1 means -5 over 5, means -6 over 6, means any number divided by itself, right?
Right.
Yes. Okay, guys, it's clear?
Teacher, I have a question.
Mm-hmm. We don't want to waste our time in this point. Okay, this point is not important. The next point is important. Huh?
Okay, no خلاص مش عايز أسأل.
No problem. Ask your question. Huh? What's the question?
اوكي تيتشر هو يعني مش ممكن الفراكشن ده يبقى مثلا between الزيرو and between 1 and 2.
1 and 2 negative between 1 and 2 how?
لا مش الفراكشن ده يعني ممكن يكون في fraction between 1 and 2.
If it's improper like 7 over 5. So use the calculator, you will find that it will equal 1.4. So between 1 and 2, no problem.
Okay, so 10 over 5 will equal to, yeah, okay. I'm asking because we are going to make the numbers by the denominator of 5.
Yes, so if it's like this, if it's 7 over 5, okay, let me clear the board. Okay, if it's 7 over 5, so this means 1.4. So between 1 and 2, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Now I want to change 1 and 2 into fractions. 1 means over 5 over 5, so 5 and 10, right?
Yes, right.
Then divide the distance into 5 equal parts. So 6 over 5, 7 over 5, 8 over 5, 9 over 5, then 10 over 5. Very simple, same concept. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now the next point, which is important, as I told you, we studied it before, guys, actually, on the maybe first two, I think on lesson...
Listen to.
Lesson 2, okay?
Yeah.
So let's remember this one. Okay, now solve this equation and represent the solution set on the number line. It's a square root of 3x minus 1 equal to. So square root of 3x will equal to, then shift this term to the other side with different sign, 2 plus
+1.
So square root of 3x will equal 3. Now x will equal 3 over square root of 3.
3.
Yeah.
Then
Okay,
we have to
guys?
add the denominator.
Okay, so this one I have to simplify it.
Yeah.
X equals
On the
3
calculator?
over square root of 3. No, of course we can change it, okay, easily by multiplying this term by square root of 3
Yes.
over square root of 3.
Square root. Yeah. Okay.
So it will equal 3 square root of 3 over 3. So this means square root of 3. That's it.
Do we must simplify it?
Of course, so then how you will represent 3 over square root of 3?
Okay.
Okay, so now it's the square root of 3. So the solution set equals the square root of 3. Okay, finished the first part. Then how to represent square root of 3 on the number line. I will explain all the points in this example. Okay. Now I want to represent square root of 3. Okay. Before, guys, we studied this one in the second lesson, how to represent this one. We said that there is a triangle, okay? Its base is square root of 3, so the side will equal 3 minus 1 over 2, which is will equal 1, and the hypotenuse will equal 3 plus 1 over 2, so it will equal 2. Now this one side is equal 1, and this one, the hypotenuse, equal 2. Are we?
Mister, can you repeat, please? Can you
What is
repeat?
the rule? What is the rule, guys? What is the rule from the first unit, or sorry, I mean the second lesson? Square root of a. So the side equals a minus 1 over 2. Hypotenuse equal a plus 1 over 2. Are we clear?
So we are
Yeah.
making it on the number line like Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, exactly. Then what will be the next step, guys? Now I want to represent square root of 3. Okay, then draw the number line like this. This point is 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2. Okay. Then it's a square root of 3. Yes. Then now, what is the height of this triangle or the side? It's 1. So draw perpendicular line. Its length is 1 to the point 0.
And then open the compass at 2.
Then open your compasses with the length of the hypotenuse, which is 2. And fix the sharp point at this one.
Okay.
And draw one arc to intersect the number line like this. So actually, guys, this will be the hypotenuse, and this point, which is the square root of 3. Clear?
Yeah, very clear.
We have to make it with the compass and the ruler, right?
Yes, of course. We have to make it with the all tools and instruments, okay? So that this one have to be accurate 100%. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, guys, on the same example, I will not solve one more. No, I will just explain different stuff like this. If I want to represent 1 plus square root of 3. So in this case, I will fix, okay? I will remove all this and tell you exactly how to represent it. Sorry.
I think we're gonna put the point at 1, right?
Yes, exactly. It will be the same procedures, but instead of drawing the side at 0, no, I have to start from 1 because it's 1. If it's 2, I start with 2. If it's 5, I start with 5. If it's 100, I start with 100. If it's a negative 1, I will start with negative 1. Then draw the perpendicular line, which is equal to the side of the triangle, which is 1. And then again, fix your compasses with the length of 2, which is the hypotenuse at this point on the top, and draw your arc. So this is the hypotenuse, and this point 1 plus square root of 3. Clear?
So teacher,
Yeah.
if 1 minus square root of 3, we will make negative 1. We'll start from negative 1.
Yes. If it's a negative, positive, whatever the number, you will start from this point. Okay?
Okay, teacher, if it's square root of 3 minus 1, not 1 minus square root of 3.
Okay, get square root of 3 minus 1, so start from negative 1.
Also, the same?
Yes, of course. Because you are subtracting square root of 3 from 1.
No, I mean square root of 3 minus 1, not 1 minus square root of 3. It will differentiate.
A square root again, square root of 3 minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
like this.
start from -1.
برضو
Of course.
مش هتفرق يعني. Okay.
No. Okay, guys, are we clear?
Yeah, clear.
Mister, he will ask me to draw the triangle on the number line or not.
Of course you will, because how you will represent the point. Okay, you are drawing the side, then you just make the arc, so the triangle is finished. Just connect between the 2 points. So this is the base, side is already drawn, and this is the hypotenuse. Finished.
Mister, when should we put the hypotenuse in the negative side? Like there was a question like that.
I will show you now all the cases. So
Okay,
we
thank
said
you.
that if it's 1 or 2 or -5
Sorry,
or
Mister,
plus,
I had a bad connection.
plus a square root of 3 like this. Okay, the only change that I will place the compasses, okay, on this point. So I have to start from 1, I have to start from 2, I have to start from -5. That's it. Okay.
No, I mean the hypotenuse. You know, there's a question like we put it on the negative side, the opposite side.
Hey, don't worry, I will show you. Then, if it's like this, 2 square root of 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
2 square root of 3. So in this case, guys, I will start from 0. Then draw the perpendicular line which represents the side. Sorry. The side like this. Okay, and then fix your compasses here and draw the arc. So this one is square root of 3. Again,
When we should draw the arc on the other
here.
side?
Fix your compasses here again, and again one more arc. So this means 2 square root of 3.
Okay, but when we should put the arc
Guys,
on the
there's
other
some
side?
noise coming from your microphones. I think, I don't know. You switch it off. Okay. Then continue.
Okay, when we should put the arc on the other side?
Okay, I will show you. I'm giving you all cases one by one. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay. Then, now.
It will be different if it is 2 plus square root of 3.
Of course, because this one is 0, 1, 2, okay, and 3, for example. 2 plus square root of 3 means I will start from 2. But 2 square root of 3, I will start from 0. Then 1 arc, square root of 3. Then again, fix the compasses here on at the square root of 3. Then 1 more arc. So this one, 2 square root of 3.
So,
Okay.
teacher, we're not fixing the compass on the top of the arc. We are compass if we make 2 square root of 3.
This is the points of the compasses. Okay. First, you will
بتبقى
place
على
the
التوب.
compasses here. This is the first point. Then this is the first arc. Then next one, compasses is here.
Mister, what about the negative? If
Okay.
it negative
One by
2,
one, guys. One by one. We are solving
Okay.
all. Okay. Okay. So if it's like this, negative a square root of 3. So this means same number line 0. Okay. And then the side, and in this case,
The left side.
this is -1, -2. So in this case, the compasses also will be on the same location here, but the arc will be on the left side, on the negative direction. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Now it's clear?
So,
Yeah,
teacher,
thank you.
if he
Okay.
asked me if
It's just 1 second, Omar. If it's 2 minus square root of 3, not plus. 0, 1, 2. If it's 2 first, 2 plus, we said that we will start from here and the arc will be this side, right? If it's 2 minus, okay, also from 2, and the arc will be to the other side because 2 minus the square root of 3, so this point. So this one 2 minus the square root of 3, this one 2 plus the square root of 3.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So teacher, sorry, if it's plus 2 plus, we'll start
Plus
from
in the positive direction, minus on the negative direction. Okay?
yeah, we will start if it's 2 minus square root of 3, we'll start also
In
from 2.
both cases,
What
you
is
will
that?
start from the point of 2.
Mr. What about -2 square root of 3?
Negative 2 what?
Square root of 3. We are gonna make 2 arcs, but on the left side, like the first arc from 0 and the second arc from the place of the first arc.
It's the same. It will be like this from 0, okay? But on the negative side, this one square root of 3. Then from negative square root of 3, one more arc, so negative 2 square root of 3.
Okay, thanks.
Now it's clear, guys?
In which case we
Okay.
start from the negative number, or we make an arc from a negative number.
You will start from 0.
No, I mean like -2 plus square root of 3. We will
Negative
start
2.
from -2 or from 2.
1 second, Ahmed. Negative 2 again, huh?
Plus square root of 3.
Plus square root of 3. And also negative 2 minus the square root of 3. Okay? So
What
now,
positive?
now,
Would we start from -2 or from 2?
just 1 second, guys. Let me clarify to you.
Okay.
If this point is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. On the first case, -2, so I have to start from -2. I don't care about if it's positive or minus or negative, the square root. So on the first case, I drawn the side like this, then fixes the compasses here. Concentrate here. Now, square root -2 plus square root of 3. So this means
Positive direction.
positive, so to the positive side. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Negative, so means on the negative side.
طيب
Because
مستر لو هي
here,
تايمز بنعمل السايد اللي فوق ده؟ لو هي تايمز بنعمل السايد اللي فوق ده ولا بنعمل ايه بالظبط؟
what?
اتلخبطت. يعني مثلا لو هي تايمز، لو هي مثلا -2 سكوير روت اوف 3 زي ما انا قلتها لحضرتك المره الاولى. عملنا
قلنا
مثلا
بقى هتبقى first arc, like first arc here, then
طب
second arc
لحظه
here.
بس بنعمل فيرست ارك ازاي؟ بنعمل برضو السايد اللي فوق كده برضو؟
From zero on the negative side, of course.
طيب ماشي، بنعمل سايد اللي فوق كده زي ما حضرتك بتعمل، نعمل اللي هي مثلا 3 minus 2 over 1 ونجيب السايد ونجيب الهايبوتنوز وكده.
Of course, then it's not from 0. Then how you will represent square root of 3? Okay, all these cases you have to draw it normally to get the side and the hypotenuse, then fix at your point and then draw the side, and from the side draw the arcs.
طيب الارك الثاني بقى اللي احنا بنعمله ده، يعني في ارك ما في ارك في النص كده، لما بنيجي نعمله بنرفع سايد برضو كمان؟
No, because you got the distance. Now you can, if this one is square root of 3, then open your compasses with this length, which is
okay.
Then one more arc from this point.
Okay.
Yeah, this is in case of multiplication.
Yes, if it's twice or triple or like this, okay, because it will be the same value but multiplied by 2. So double. Square root of 3, square root of 3 again. So 2 square root of 3. If this one is negative.
So this is all of the cases of number line, right?
Mister, can you repeat this part again? Can you repeat this part again?
Which point exactly?
-2, 3, square root 3.
Okay. You mean this one? 2 minus and 2 positive. Sorry, square root of, it was like what, guys? -2? minus square root of 3 and negative 2 plus square root of 3, right?
No, I understand this. I understood this, but I mean the multiplication that you just said.
If it's a positive like this, 2 square root of 3, or if it's a negative 2 square root of 3,
Yeah.
okay, the first one, of course, from 0, okay? Then we will assume that the side is 1. So here, I draw the side perpendicular to the number line. Fix your compasses here. Positive 2 square root of 3, so square root of 3 first. Then open your compasses with this length from 0 to square root of 3. Adjust your compasses on this length, okay? Then one more arc from this point here. So this means this distance is square root of 3, again square root of 3, so this point 2 square root of 3. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah.
The same procedures on the negative side. For negative 2 square root of 3. Okay?
Okay.
Now it's clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
مستر هو ممكن
Yeah,
يقول
thank you.
لي روت 3 بلس 2 يعني يشقلبهم لي ممكن يقول لي روت 3 بلس 2
Root 3 square root of 3 plus 2.
أيوه
No problem. You will just represent square root of 3
أوكي
from 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now it's square root of 3 plus 2. Okay. Then I will start from the point of 2. Okay. Then draw your arc. That's it. Because 2 plus square root of 3 is the same like square root of 3 plus 2. Okay.
What if it was square root of 3 minus 2?
Square root of 3 minus 2.
Yeah. Will we make it negative 2 plus square root of 3?
No, you can make it simply like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2. Now it's a square root of 3 minus 2, right?
Right.
Right.
Okay, so now I will start from the 0.
Teacher, your voice is like.
Mr. Your voice is lagging, yeah.
Teacher, there is no voice at all.
I think there's a bad connection.
Yeah, he has the bad connection. This day we're facing very bad connection and slow internet speed.
Square root of 3. Guys, you hear me well?
Yeah.
Hello?
Right.
Okay, so this one is square root of 3, right?
Right.
Right.
Okay, then minus 2. Open your compasses with 2 units and then one arc from square root of 3, like this. Then minus 2, it will be here. Then this point, square root of 3 minus 2.
Mister, couldn't we do it like negative 2 plus square root of 3? It will mean the same thing that you put it in the square.
Of course, you can change it. You can change the order with the same signs, negative 2 plus square root of 3.
And then I put the point at negative 2 and draw the side and do the hypotenuse.
So start
the
from
square root of
negative
3.
2 also. Start
Okay,
from
I
negative
understand now.
Draw the arc. It will be on the same location. Okay?
So, teacher.
Okay.
Huh?
If so square root of 3 minus 2 isn't the same as 2 minus square root of 3.
Again, which one? Square root of 3 minus 2? Huh?
Square root of 3 minus 2 مش زي 2 minus square root of 3.
Not like 2? What?
Not like 2 minus square root of 3.
Of course, you changed the signs totally. 2 was negative, you change it to positive. Square root of 3 was positive, and then now it becomes a negative, so you change the signs totally. Okay?
انا بسأل حضرتك من شوية بتقول لي نفس الاثنين نفس الحكاية.
No, I thought that you asked me square root minus 2 is the same like negative 2 by plus square root of 3. I said yes.
Yeah, okay. So now square root of 3 minus 2, we will start from negative 2, then to square root of 3.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, it's but 2 minus square root of 3, we will start from 2 by the same distance of the hypotenuse, but in the negative side.
Okay. So
Right?
now this point, yes, this point arc is clear, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
Clear.
finally. Thank you.
Okay, guys, actually I have to stop at this point. Okay. Then the second point of this lesson, it's about solving inequalities. It will be on the next session because it will take some time. Okay. And there is a
Okay.
session after
Okay,
10
thank you.
minutes. Okay, guys, I
Thank
will
you.
send you again this channel of the YouTube. I will upload our session today so that you can revise it. Okay, just subscribe to the channel and you will receive all the videos. Okay, guys,
Okay,
any questions?
no thanks.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you for your time. Bye.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
مع السلامة. السلام عليكم.
Okay, Omar, bye.